If you are a co-owner of a property, joint with right of survivorship, and the other person that was on the property with you was the only one on the mortgage and they passed away, you need to know what happens next. Hi, this is Recharging with Champions, and I do get this question, sadly, pretty regularly because you know what? People don't live forever. Death is inevitable, and sometimes it happens and people just aren't prepared and they don't know what to expect when it comes to their mortgage and their property. So in earlier episodes, we talked about joint with right of survivorship versus joint tenancy. Go check out that episode if you want that information. Today, we're going to talk about what happens to the mortgage when the co-owner of the property is not on the mortgage. This does happen because not all people on the property have to be on the mortgage, and sometimes the person on the mortgage is the one that passes away. It's important to know that just because the person that was on the mortgage passes away, that mortgage is still on the property. It is still tied to and held by the property. So the other co-owner is responsible to make sure that those payments don't get missed. So keep up those mortgage payments because otherwise foreclosure still can happen even though the person on the mortgage is no longer alive. Reach out to the mortgage company. Let them know that the borrower has passed away. They may want to see proof like a death certificate, and then they will give you some options. Sometimes you have the option of assuming that mortgage. It's going to depend on the loan that the borrower had. Other times you may want to refinance. Sometimes you just sell the property outright and pay off the mortgage. But the bottom line is you don't want to start missing mortgage payments because they can foreclose. Remember, that mortgage is tied to the property, not just the person. You can always reach out to the title company or attorney that closed the purchase of the property when you bought the home to find out, one, how it was titled, and then you can reach out to your mortgage company and ask, hey, the way this mortgage is laid out, if the borrower was to pass away, what would I need to do? What are the rules and what things can I do in order to assume or refinance this mortgage? These are great questions to ask when you're making preparations for the future. Remember, I have got this script made for you so you can create this video on your own social media site. Go out and be the guru. Use the script, "What if the borrower dies?" in our Recharging with Champions site. You're going to see a bunch of scripts. You're going to see a marketing calendar, even some really cool templates that you can make for your own in the members area of rechargingwithchampions.com. Go check it out today. Remember, it is a companion, and if by any chance you are registering for the members only site within the first 3 months of inception, try using code word LEGACY because during the first 3 months, everyone can have a lifetime membership to the members area at no cost. Keyword LEGACY, and we'll see you tomorrow.